Good afternoon, students. Once again, I am here continuing the topic, chapter 2, collection of data. Today's topic is concerned with census versus sampling. Students, as we all know, data is very important for getting the information. So, for doing that, we have to do survey. I have written that survey is a method of gathering information from individual. The survey are done to describe some characteristics like price, quality, popularity, etc. The purpose of survey is to collect data. Now, the purpose of survey, as we all know, that to collect the data, but on the basis of area, we use two method of survey: census survey and sample survey. नाउ सेंसस मेथड इट मीन्स हम सर्वे दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं, सेंसस के थ्रू और सैम्पलिंग के थ्रू. सो आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट मेथड ऑफ सेंसस मेथड. सेंसस मेथड इज द मेथड ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल enumeration where all member of population are studied. A population refers to the set of all observation under concern. इस मेथड में हम पूरे मेंबर जो भी पॉपुलेशन में हैं उसको स्टडी में लेते हैं. मींस एक एक चीज़ हम काउंट करते हैं. हम कोई सैंपल लेके कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन का डिक्लेरेशन नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ रिटन ऑल मेंबर ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन आर कंसर्न इन स्टडीज़. But when we talk about sampling method, this is the second method in which only a representative or group of population and not all its member. इस स्टडी में हम पूरे पॉपुलेशन को कवर नहीं करते, हम कुछ सैंपल का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ले लेते हैं, उसके बिहाफ में उसके कंसर्न से हम कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं. दस इट इज़ द ईजी वे आउट would be to collect information from some representative group from population and then make observation accordingly. This representative group which contains some units from whole population is called sample. Now it is very easy to say that we can take sample to give the result, but how to select sample? The first most important step in selecting sample is to determine the population. Once the population is identified, a sample must be selected. Now, what are the good quality of sampling? Size of sample should be small. It provide information about whole population. It should provide. It takes less time to collect and is less costlier also. Now, there are two methods we have seen: census method and sampling method. What are the sampling methods merits and demerits? You can see I have mentioned it is economic because it is less costlier. Manpower is also concerned less. You can census method may be checked with the help of sampling method also. Population size is too large. The sampling method is very easy because in practically when we talk about whole population cannot be judged. So sampling on the basis of representative of the sample as taken, we make the result. We can use the estimation about the population characteristics. So these are all the merits concerned. But demerits is if sampling is not properly conducted, it might leads to error 1. Result might become negative or error 1. Sampling normally generate error due to leaving out the unit from population. हम एक हर यूनिट को नहीं लेते पॉपुलेशन के, कोई एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ग्रुप को ले लेते हैं एज अ सैम्पल टू डिक्लेयर एनी सर्वे रिजल्ट. If skilled person are not available, then it is again very difficult to do the sampling method. Now in this video you are going to learn about all these sampling types. It is very important in your chapter that you all know regarding all the sampling types. It is first simple random sampling. Simple random sampling means each and every item in the universe or member in the universe have equal chance of being selected. अगर मैं अपने क्लास में से किसी बच्चे को अचानक उठा के एक रीडिंग के लिए बोलता हूँ, दैट इज़ व्हाट रेंडमली आई एम सेलेक्टिंग. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट सैम्पलिंग. सिस्टमेटिक, इट इज़ अगेन इन अ सिस्टमेटिक फॉर्म. स्ट्रेटिफाइड, ग्रुपिंग कंसर्न, वी विल सी. पर्पोजिव सैम्पलिंग, दैट इज कंसर्न विथ पर्पस एंड कन्वीनियंस. कोटा सैम्पलिंग, अगेन इट इज कंसर्न विथ ग्रुप. सो फर्स्ट सैम्पलिंग आई एम टेकिंग सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग. All the member have same chance of being selected. Random method provide unbiased cross selection of population. क्योंकि हम अचानक से किसी को ले रहे हैं तो इसमें बायस का कोई चांसेस नहीं होता. For example, we wish to draw a sample of 50 students from population of 400 students. Please place all 400 names in container and draw a 50 names one by one. It is just like a lottery system. Systematic sampling is what? Each member of sample comes after the equal interval from its previous member. Yes, students, you can see the example. 50 students, if you are to take a sample, the sampling fraction is 50 out of 400, that is 1 by 8. Select one student out of every 8 student in the population. The starting point for selection is chosen in random. The same example I have taken, but link is concerned with systematic sampling. Now third type is concerned with stratified sampling. Yes student, population, the whole population is divided into a small homogeneous group. एक similar character का group, जैसे suppose if I divide the population in religion, caste, so a groupism, and from that group I select one whole strata. Means when I divide the population into a small homogeneous group by some characteristics, each of these strata members are selected randomly from each of these strata. Means बच्चों अपने स्कूल में हाउस है, अलग अलग हाउस से अलग अलग रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जब अपन सेलेक्ट करते हैं, वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पूरे होल ग्रुप को डिनोट करेगा. सपोज मदर टेरेसा, बहादुर शाह जफर, मंगल पांडे, सपोज सरोजनी नायडू. 4 groups are there. One head is selected as representative. They will represent the whole group. That is concerned with stratified sampling. Purposive sampling. In this sampling method, the researchers select a typical group of individuals who might represent the large population and then collect data from this group, is known as judgmental sampling also. So convenient sampling, as the word is saying, it which is convenient or available. It consists of units which are observed because of case readily available. It is very easy to understand. Which are approachable. Quota sampling. The selection of sample is made by the researcher who decide the quota for selecting sample from a specified subgroup of population. For example, interviewer might need data from 40 adult and 20 adolescents in order to study students' television view habits. Selection will be 20 adult men and 20 adult women, 10 adolescent girl and 10 adolescent boy. So I am taking the quota sampling concern. Thank you student. In next video we will concern with next chapter, classification of data. Thank you student.